Want to save $25 on your Lee County marriage license and skip the mandatory 3-day wait? If you are planning to get married in Fort Myers, Cape Coral, or anywhere in Southwest Florida, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Lee County Clerk's office. But you do not need to pay full price, and you absolutely do not need to wait 3 days to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franson, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a licensed psychotherapist. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Lee County process, what documents you need, and a legal loophole to save money and time. First, let's look at the specific local costs. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Lee County Clerk of Court is $86. However, if you complete an approved 4-hour Florida premarital course like the one we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county will reduce your fee by $25. That brings your total cost at the downtown Fort Myers courthouse down to just $61. Beyond saving money, there's a major time-saving benefit for Florida residents. Under state law, once the Lee County Clerk hands you your license, you are forced to wait 3 days before you can legally get married. But if you present our approved course certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that 3-day wait. You could legally get married the exact same day you walk out of the building. Note that if neither of you are Florida residents, you already skipped this wait, but you can still take the course for the discount. To get this discount and waive your waiting period, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our Florida course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up to fulfill the 4-hour requirement. Best of all, our course is only $14.49. There are no hidden fees, and your official certificate is generated instantly the moment you finish. When you are ready to apply, we highly recommend filling out the clerk's online marriage application first to save time. Then, both you and your partner must appear together in person at the Lee County Clerk's office, located at 2115 2nd Street in downtown Fort Myers. Hand the clerk your printed Cadenza Counseling certificate, along with valid government-issued photo IDs and know your social security numbers. They will verify your certificate, apply your discount, and issue your active license right there. To claim your Lee County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Florida premarital course. You can finish it at your own pace and print your certificate today. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions about the Fort Myers marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.